everyone, welcome to
LTT.
We are happy to see you today.
LTT is a program where we talk about technology and online service.
Today our title is Planning and Joining Online Meetings with Google Calendar and Google Meet.
We will discuss how to plan meetings using Google Calendar and how to join meetings using Google Meet.
These services help us plan meetings and join online meetings easily. They are very useful for students and teachers. Now, let's welcome our guest. So, we have introduced today's topic. Now, let's hear directly from our guest.
Yes, they will share information and experience with us.
Let's start with Google Calendar. Can you tell us what it is?
Sure, Google Calendar is an online tool from Google. It helps people schedules and meetings. We can add dates, times, and reminders easily.
Thanks. Now, what about Google Meet?
Google Meet is a video meeting platform. People usually use it for online classes, meetings, or discussions.
Why do people like these two services?
Because they make time management easier. People can plan meetings and join them without confusion.
That sounds helpful. What's one thing you really like about the service?
I like the automatic reminders in Google Calendar. They remind us before meetings so we don't forget.
Every service has advantage, but sometimes there are problems too. From your experience, what problem do people usually face?
The most common problem is an unstable internet connection.
It can interrupt the meeting.
Let's imagine a real situation. For example, students want to have group discussion for a school project. How can this tool help them?
They can create a meeting schedule using Google Calendar. This helps everyone know the date and time. After that, they can join the meeting through the link in Google Meet.
This makes group discussion easier, especially when everyone is in different places.
Besides scheduling meetings, are there other useful features in Google Calendar?
Yes, we can set reminders so we don't forget important events.
That's helpful. What about Google Meet?
In Google Meet, we can turn on the camera, microphone, and chat during meetings.
This feature helps people communicate more clearly.
Before we continue, do you have some tips for using these tools?
Always check the meeting time in Google Calendar. Make sure your internet connection is stable before joining Google Meet.
And test your microphone and camera first.
That was a great discussion. Now, let's see how these tools actually work.
Yes, we will show you a simple tutorial on how to use a Google Calendar and Google Meet.
First, open Google Calendar. Then choose the day for your meeting. Next, enter the event title and set the date. Then, click at Google Meet video conferencing to get the meeting link. Make sure all the tiles are correct. And finally, click Save. Your meeting is ready. Okay, after creating the meeting in Google Calendar, you will get a Google Meet link.
To join the meeting, just open the link from your calendar or from invitation message.
Before joining, make sure your camera and microphone are ready.
Also check your internet connection.
When everything looks good, click Join Now.
And that's it, you're already in the meeting.
I just had to let you know you're.
Now, we will move to our question and answer session. We have prepared a few questions about these tools.
Yes. These are some common questions people often ask if they start using them.
First question. Can people use Google Calendar on a smartphone? Or do they have to open it on a computer?
Yes, people can definitely use it on a smartphone. In fact, many users prefer using Google Calendar on their phones because it is very practical and easy to access anywhere. It helps people check their schedules quickly during the day.
That sounds very convenient. Next question. Will we need a Google account to use Google Meet?
Yes, we do need a Google account. With a Google account, users can create meetings, receive invitations, and join meetings more easily. It also helps keep everything connected with other Google services.
Another question. Can Google Calendar remind us about meetings automatically?
Yes, it can. Google Calendar can send notification before the meeting starts. This feature is very helpful because it reminds users about their schedule so they don't forget important meetings.
Before joining an online meeting, what should people prefer?
First, days off. Make sure their internet connection is stable. A good connection helps the meeting run smoothly without interruption. It is also important to check the camera and microphone before joining.
Can students use this tool for school project or group discussion?
Yes, they can. Students often use Google Meet to discuss achievements and share ideas with their group members. They can also use Google Calendar to schedule the meeting so everyone can know the time.
Okay, last question. Is Google Meet free to use for everyone?
Yes, Google Meet is free for basic meetings. People can join video meetings, talk with others, and share their screens without paying. However, some advanced features are available only in the paid version.
Alright, that brings us to the end of today's talk show. We talked about how Google Calendar help us plan meetings and how Google Meet help us join them easily.
We hope this information helps you manage your time and attend online meetings more comfortable.
Before we go, don't forget to always check your schedule and make sure your connection is ready. Thank you so much for watching LTT. See you next time. Bye everyone. After that,
Ini kan rekaman ya, Rai? Palale. Jauh. Rai, ini nyawa tak gue.